Hello students, today we are going to see 7th question of practice set 2.3 which is on page number 30 of your textbook. First question is 3 into root 12 into root 18. So what we have to do is we have to multiply and write the answer in the simplest form. We are going to multiply these two terms and we are going to find the answer in the simplest form. Now first we are going to find the terms of number 12. Here we will write 3 as it is, 3 into under root. So we will find the factors of 12. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So factors of 12 are coming what? 2 into 2 into 3. So I have written under root 2 into 2 into 3. Multiplication sign. Again here it is under root 18. So again I am going to find the factors of 18. 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So factors of 18 I will write in radical sign, 2 into 3 into 3. Next step is equal to 3 into. Now here I am going to separate the terms so that further I will get the simplest form. Like I will write this step in a way, root of 4 into root of 3. Now this term and this term is same, just represented in different way. Multiplied by, I have separated here root 2 and root 9 is equal to 3 into. Now what is root of 4? Root of 4 is 2 multiplied by root 3 multiplied by root 2. What is root of 9? It is 3. So in next step what I have done, I have taken these terms together. And this term here together and root numbers together. So it will come 3 2s are 6 and 6 3s are 18. Root 3 into root 3, root 3 into 2 is root 6. Therefore, I am writing the answer 3 into root 12 into root 18 is equal to 18 root 6. I think answer of this sum in your textbook it is given something different, but this is the right answer. I hope you are getting the concept, my dear students. We will see the second question. Second question is 3 into root 12 multiplied by 7 into root 15. Same way again, to bring in the simplest form we will find factors of 12 and factors of 15. Factors of 12 we have already found, we have already done in first sum. So we will write is equal to 3 multiplied by factors of 12 in radical sign, that is 2 into 2 into 3. I have again found here. Okay, multiplied by 7. Factors of 15 is 3 5s are 15. So 3 into 5 in a radical sign. Now here I will write this step in a different way. That is, I will write 2 2s are 4, that is root 4 in separate radical sign and root 3 in a separate radical sign is equal to, that is 3 into root 4 into root 3 multiplied by 7 into root 3 into root 5. In this step 3 and 5 are presented in single radical sign. Here I have just separated them. Now again I will is equal to 3 into root of 4 is 2 into root 3 into 7 into 3 into 5. Now again 3, 2 and 7 I will write together and the numbers with radical sign I will write together. So it will come 3 2s are 6 and 6 7s are 42. Root 3 into root 3, it is square of root 3 multiplied by root 5. So further step will come, 42 into square of root 3 is what? It is 3 multiplied by root 5. 42 3s is 126 into root 5. Therefore, answer is 3 into root 12 into 7 root 15. 7 into root 15 is equal to 126 multiplied by root 5. It's very easy. We just have to do multiplications. Third sum is 3 into root 8 multiplied by root 5. So in next step I am writing 3 into. So factors of 8, it's very easy. We don't need to do a separate rough work. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 in radical sign multiplied by root 5. Next step is equal to 3 into, so 2 2s are 4. So under root 4 into root 2 I have written separately multiplied by root 5 is equal to 3 into, what is root of 4? It is 2 multiplied by root 2 multiplied by root 5. So 3 2s are 6, 2 5s are 10. So answer is coming what? Therefore 3 into root 8 multiplied by root 5 is equal to 6 into root 10. Now we will see the fourth sum, that is the last sum of this question. This 5 multiplied by root 8 into 2 multiplied by root 8. Now see students, here we do not need to find the factors because here in both the terms root 8 is common. So directly what we will do, we will take 5 and 2 together as a multiplication and root 8 we will write together like this. So 5 2s are 10 and root 8 into root 8, that is square of root 8. So 10 into root square of root 8 is 8. 10 8s are 80. Therefore we get the answer 5 multiplied by root 8 into 2 multiplied by root 8 is equal to 80. So simplest form of this is 80. I hope students you have understood the concept. If any problem, you can ask anytime. Thank you.